Madyaw na adlaw sa inyong tanan, gikan sa Dakbayan sa Butuan, ato ini kadyawon ta.
Ipanumpa kong ditikabian ug pagahugtan ko ang tanan ni
Hoy!
Kinsa man ni?
What if I told you that long before the Spanish arrived, Filipinos already mastered sailing, exploring the seas, and masters and trading with nations far beyond their islands? The secret lies beyond here in the land of Balanghay of Butuan.
The balanghay is oldest wooden craft found in the land of Butuan, Philippines, dating back to 320 AD. It proves that Butuan was once a thriving center of trade and culture. It shows the skills, unity, and adventurous spirit of ancient Filipinos. The balanghay isn't just a relic. It's a reminder that we Filipinos were voyagers, innovators, and dreamers long before history wrote our names. And while we scroll through our phones, our ancestors once charted their own seas with nothing but stars above and courage within. Proof that the spirit of exploration runs deep in every Filipino, especially the Butuanon. Just as the balanghay carried our ancestors forward, the Butuan city capital stands today as a beacon of leadership, unity, and progress, guiding our city toward a brighter future.
Ipanumpa kong ditikabian ug pagahugtan ko ang tanan. Ipanumpa kong mabuhi ang kinabuhi ko kanimo lang. Kanimo lang. Ako ang dalangpan, ako imong taming o ginagiban, luyo nining tanan. O kung may klaro man ang kalibutan, ito magduha-duha o ikang mahulog ka, andam kong mahulog uban sa nasa kadaron nining panahon. Ipanumpa kong ditikabian ug pagahugtan ko ang tanan. Ipanumpa kong mabuhi ang kinabuhi ko kanimo lang. Ako ang dalangpan, ako imong taming o ginagiban, luyo nining tanan.